Okay, so we are working with parallelograms in this next topic here. And the three things we have to, there's 6 properties of parallelograms, but the 3 that we're going to use today are opposite angles are congruent, opposite sides are congruent, and consecutive angles are supplementary, meaning they will add to equal the number 180. So let's see what we have to find here first. Measure of angle BAC. So let's start with that one. Okay, when I work with these angles that have 3 letters, I start by tracing, starting at the first one, B to A to C. So that would be this angle right here. So the part of angle A. All right, to find this out, I had to figure out what the whole angle A is equal to. Then I'll be able to subtract that 44 from the whole angle A. Now to do that, I'm going to find an angle that's consecutive to angle A. That would be angle D is consecutive angle A. Angle B is also consecutive to angle A, but that angle measure is missing for now. So I'm just going to use the number for D. So since angle D is 70, angle A plus angle D equals 180. So I'm going to just subtract out that 70 that I know angle D is. So angle A, the whole angle A, is equal to 110. Okay, so this whole thing is 110. Now, I need to find that part right there. So I'm going to take 110 minus 44. And that gives me 66. So measure of angle BAC equals 66 there. Okay, so next let's find X. I'm just erasing so I have some more room here. X is with that 4x, so that's side AD. The length of AD is 4x. The length of BC is 16. Opposite sides are congruent. 4x equals 16 divided by 4. So x equals 4 here. And then last but not least, angle B. And so angle B is opposite of angle D, which is noted there as 70 degrees. Opposite angles in parallelograms are congruent, so angle B is also 70 degrees. Okay, let's do one more problem of these down here. VWXY. Okay, let's start with measure of angle X, which is right here. What angle is opposite of that? V. So X is also going to be 114. Okay, then we have regular X, which is talking about this side. VW is 6 times X. XY is the length of 24, so 24 equals 6X. Divided by 6, X equals 4. So that's 2 down, 1 to go. I'm going to erase a little bit here so I have some more room to work out this last one. Okay, so to start off this one, X, W, Y, we're going to trace so that we know which angle they're talking about. So it's the second half of angle W there. Okay, so W is consecutive angles with V. V is 114. So we do 114 180 minus 114 to figure out, my calculator is not working, 66. So the whole angle W is 66. So to find this missing part here, 66 minus 30, which is 36. So the measure of angle X, Y, W equals 36. Okay, and that would be all 3 items. All right, that is our next topic in chapter 6.